Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I told you in my earlier chapter that today we will study about verbs, adjectives and adverbs that will be more helpful for you to understand Korean and to learn Korean easily. So you just have to concentrate and make a notes of it. So let's start with verbs. To go, khada, to come, oda or omnika. To have, idda, to be, ida, to eat, mokta, to drink, mashida or mashimnika. Let's start once again. To go, khada, to come, oda, and in some cases, omnika. To have, idda, to be, ida, to eat, mogda, to drink, mashida, or in some cases, mashimnika. Kada, to go, oda, to come, omnika is also to come, but omnika is a kind of formal way to say, and oda is a little bit like informal way to say to come. Idda, to have, ida, to be, mogda, to eat, mashida, to drink, and mashimnika, to drink as well. And in the same like oda, omnika and mashida, mashimnika is a kind of highly formal way to say to drink. So khada, to go, I want to go, khago, khago 싶어요. To come, oda, omnika, to have, idda, something like do you have tissue papers? 화장지 있어요? Like you have 있어요? In that case we will use idda verb. Okay? And mogda, like when you are in restaurant and you said like what would you like to eat? 뭐 먹고 싶어요? 뭐 먹고 싶어요? So that 먹고 comes from to eat verb. Got my point? So let's study next verbs, that is to give. Juda, to see, boda, to sleep, jada, to wake up or get up, ironada, to buy, sada, to write or to use, sada. So repeat after me. To give, juda, to see, boda, to sleep, jada, to wake up or get up, ironada, to buy, sada, to use or to write, sada. So juda is to give, boda to see, jada to sleep, ironada to wake up or get up, sada to buy, sada to write or to use. Next is to love. Udda, to cry, ulda, to wear, ipda, to learn, pegda, peda, to study, konbuhada, to meet, gada. To walk hai gada. So repeat after me. Udda, to love, ulda, to cry, ipda, to wear, beuda, to learn, konbuhada, to study, gada, to walk. So udda, ulda, ipda, beuda, konbuhada, gada. Udda, ulda. You mostly listen like don't cry, uljima, uljima. So that ulji comes from to cry. Next is to play, nalda, nalda. To press, nuruda, nuruda. To read, ilda, ilda. To hear, dada, dada. To make, mandalada, mandalada. It sounds like made, na? Right? Mandalada, mandalada. To sit, anjida, anjida. So let's read once again. Nalda, to play, nuryuda, to press, ilda, to read, Datta, to hear. Mandalda, to make or made. Anjita, to sit. So let's read next verbs. To wash, shitta. Shitta. To dance, chumchuda. Chumchuda. To drive, onjonhada. Onjonhada. To order, jumunhada. Jumunhada. You already know about Jumun Dova Delkeyo. When you are in restaurant, when you are ordering bulgogi and hamburger, Jumun Dova Delkeyo. Let me check your order, Juma Hajin Halkeyo. So that Jumun word comes from to order verb. Jumun Hada. To talk or speak, Malhada. Malhada. To teach, Galechida. Galechida. So repeat after me. Shitta, wash. Chunchuda, dance. Unjanhada, drive. Order. Jumunhada, speak or talk. Malhada, Galechida, to teach. So let's study next verbs. To wait, Kidarida. Kidarida. To call or dial, Golda. Golda. To practice, Yonsobada. Yonsobada. To pay, Neda. Neda. To leave, Salda. Salda. To die, Chugda. Chugda. Repeat after me. Kidarida, wait. Kalda, call or dial. Yonsobada, practice. Neda, pay. Salda, leave. Jugda, die. To love, Saranghada. Saranghada. To like, Choahada. 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 To hate or dislike, Shiroda. Shiroda. To marry, Gyalonhada. Gyalonhada. To worry, Khokjunghada. Khokjunghada. Like Khokjun Hajimaseo, don't worry. Khokjung Hajimaseo, don't worry. So Khokjung word comes from worry. To worry verb. To promise, Yaksoghada. Yaksoghada. So repeat after me. Saranghada, love. Choahada, like. Hate or dislike, Shirohada. Gyalonhada, marry. Khokjunghada, worry. Yaksoghada, to promise. So this is all about verbs. So next verbs are to prepare, chunbihada. Chunbihada. To remember, kiyokhada. 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 To dream, kumkumhada. To dream, kumkumda. Kumkuda. To start, sijakhada. To start, sijakhada. To finish, kutnada. Kutnada. To sell, palda. To sell, palda. So repeat after me. Chunbihada, to prepare. Kiyokhada, to remember. Kumkuda, to dream. Sijakhada, to start. Kutnada, to finish. Palda, to sell. So let's study next words, and these are to 5. Soda. Soda. To answer, Dedaphada. Dedaphada. To lose or defeated, Chida. Chida. To hurry or when you are in rush, Sodullada. Sodullada. Sodullada, which comes from you had learned the phrase Sodullo Juseo when you are about to take a taxi. Taxi gissa named Sodullo Juseo means taxi driver, please hurry up. Got my point? So that Sodullo word comes from this verb, that is to hurry or rush. Next is to fall in love. Sarangi Pajida. Sarangi Pajida. To envy, Boryopada. 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 So repeat after me from the very first point. Sada, to fight. Deda pada, to answer. Chida, to lose or defeated. Sodullada, to hurry or rush. Sarangi pachida, to fall in love. Boryopada, to envy. So these are all about verbs. Next we will study adjectives. So first is to be good, chota, to be bad, shilta, to be hot, doppada, to be cool, chupada, to be sad, solpada, to be sick, apada. Chota, good, shilta, bad, doppada, hot, chupada, cool, solpada, sad, apada, sick. So these are first in very most used adjectives. Next are to be tired, pigonhada, to be interesting, chemitta, chemitta, to be boring, chemioppada, chemioppada, chemioppada. Here we just had put the negative form of jemitta like opada, jemi-opada. It's not interesting at all. Jemi-opada, it's boring. To be easy, shwipada, shwipada. To be difficult, oryopada, oryopada. To be clean, kakkatada, 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 kakkatada. So repeat after me. Pigonhada, to be tired. Chemitta, interesting. Chemiopta, boring or not interesting. Shwipada, easy. Oryopada, difficult. Kekkatada, clean. Kekkatada, clean. So let's study next adjectives. To be dirty, doryopada, doryopada. To be fast, pevda, pevda. To be slow, noryutta, noryutta. To be noisy, shikrapada, shikrapada. To be quiet, joyonghada, joyonghada. To be healthy, konkanghada, konkanghada, konkanghada. So repeat after me. Doryopada, dirty. Pada, fast, which is also like palli palli. Please fast, please fast. Palli palli. So that palli palli comes from this, to be fast. Pada. To be slow, naryutta, naryutta. Shikropta, noisy, shikropta, noisy. Joyonghada, quiet, joyonghada, quiet. Konkanghada, konkanghada, healthy, konkanghada, healthy. So let's study. So those are all about adjectives. Next we will study adverbs. So the very and the most used adverbs are very, aju, and in some cases meu, aju, meu. Quite, que, sangdangi, que, and in some cases sangdangi, sangdangi. Almost, koi, almost, koi. Fast, palli, fast, palli. Slowly, chanchani, slowly, chanchani. You may like hear the word please eat slowly when you are in grandparents' house, when your friend invited to you for meal, and the parents will be like, please eat a lot, slowly, slowly. Chanchani mani mogoseyo, chanchani mani mogoseyo means please eat slowly and more. Chanchani mani mogoseyo. So that is slowly. Carefully, jinjung hage, carefully, jinjung hage. So let's study once again. Aju or meu, very, que, sangdangi, quite, kui, almost, palli, fast, chanchani, slowly, sinjunghage, carefully, sinjunghage, carefully. Next are always, hansang, and in some cases null, null, hansang, null. Frequently, chaju, and another some cases honey, honey. Usually botong, botong. Sometimes gakkam, sometimes gakkam, and some cases teranam, teranam. Occasionally gakkam as well. Seldom jamcharam, jamcharam. So repeat after me. Hansang and Neil, always. Chaju, honey, frequently. Botong, usually. Gakkam and Teronam, sometimes. Gakkam, occasionally. Jamcharam, seldom. Jamcharam, seldom. So next are during, dungan, during, dungan, every, meo, meo, cheer up, himnatio, himnatio, forget it, ijo boluseo, ijo boluseo, neither, neither, dulda anida, dulda anida, never, khilko. It sounds like chalte, khilko, chalte. So repeat after me. Dungan, during, meo, every, himnatio, cheer up, ijoboluseo, forget it, duldanida, neither, khilko or chalte, never. So these are all about verbs, adjectives and adverbs. So you just have to make a note and write down all verbs on first page, adjectives on second and adverbs on third page, and just review day after tomorrow, after 3 days, 4 days, and make sure to write it down clearly and try to remember all the verbs slowly. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be there soon with my next chapter.